Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bakes and Cooks. Today again I've come up with another recipe that is how to make peanut cookies. So let's get started. In this bowl I've taken around 5 tablespoons of clarified butter. Into this I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. Now I'm going to beat till it becomes creamy and fluffy. You can see it has become so creamy, isn't it? Now I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground peanuts. I'm going to mix this again. Now I add around 400 grams of flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to mix them very thoroughly. Now I add around 10 tablespoons of fresh milk and knead the dough with my hand. This is how the dough should be. It should not be stretchy like the chapati dough. If we pull, it should break like this. Look at this. Now let's start shaping them into desired cookies. I'm going to give a round shape. In this plate I have taken some coarsely ground peanuts. I'm going to coat each of the cookies with the peanuts. Here they are. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for around 5 to 10 minutes. After that only I'm going to bake. So here are the baked cookies. I have baked at 150 degrees centigrade for around 15 to 20 minutes. This cookie tastes very yummy and it's very crunchy also. I'm sure you'll try to make these peanut cookies. If you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently.